How to connect your Dropbox with your Vimeo account on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Vimeo. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go here and go down to settings. Now on this page, click on connected apps, scroll down until you find Dropbox. Click on connect and it's gonna be connected after you fill your login information on Dropbox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.